Good morning, children. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Rising Star International School. Today we will start with Chapter 1 in Computers, Hardware and Software, Book 1. Please see the video carefully, keep your book open and go through the chapter.
We have already learned that a computer is an electronic device which has different parts that together make a computer system. We also know that the computer system follows the IPO cycle to work. It involves three main steps: input, process, and output. A computer system is mainly made up of hardware and software. Hardware refers to all those parts of a computer system that can be seen and touched or can be connected to it. For example, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The hardware is further classified into input devices, processing device, output devices, and storage devices. Let us learn about them in detail. Input devices are used to provide data and instructions to a computer. Some of the commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, touchpad, joystick, light pen, scanner, microphone, and webcam. A keyboard is the most important input device used to enter data and give instructions to a computer using the keys on it. A mouse is another important input device for selecting and pointing at objects on the monitor. It is generally kept on a mouse pad for better performance. A touchpad is generally available on the laptops and works in the same way as the computer mouse does. It is used for pointing, selecting, and clicking on the objects on the screen by using a finger. It has two click buttons, together known as the click pad. A joystick is used to move the pointer on the screen like a computer mouse does while playing games on a computer. A light pen also works in the same way as the computer mouse does for selecting and pointing objects on the computer screen. It is also used for drawing. A scanner is used for converting the paper documents or images into digital files which can be displayed and stored on a computer. A webcam is used for video chatting with people. Nowadays, there is an inbuilt web camera in the laptops and smartphones. Now let us see what is a processing device. The processing device processes the data and instructions given to the computer. The central processing unit, also called the CPU, is the processing device of a computer. It is known as the brain of the computer. It helps in the processing of data and instructions given by us. All the devices, whether input, output, or others, which are connected to the computer are controlled by the CPU, which is fixed on the motherboard that is enclosed in the CPU box or system unit. Moving forward, let us learn about output devices. Output devices are used to get the information after the processing has been carried out. Let us learn about some commonly used output devices. A computer monitor is also known as the visual display unit, which displays the work that you do on the computer. The output, which is shown on the computer monitor, is called the soft copy. A printer is used to print the data from the computer on paper. The paper with the information printed on it is known as the hard copy. The printed paper is called the printout. A plotter is used by professionals like engineers, scientists, and architects to print large drawings, maps, banners and posters. Plotters are bigger than printers. A projector is used for projecting big images and videos on a big screen, board or wall. With the help of a projector, a topic or concept can be explained easily to a large audience on a big screen. The headphones and speakers are used for listening music and sounds as the output from the computer. Fact zone. Some devices work as both input and output devices. For example, touch screen, headset, and interactive whiteboard. Hardware and software are incomplete without each other. So, let us now learn about software. It is a set of instructions which are required for controlling the functioning of the hardware. There are different types of software available in the market for performing different types of operations. Mainly, there are two types of software: application software and system software. Application software is made to perform a specific task. For example, MS Paint and Tux Paint software are used for drawing and painting. System software controls the whole functioning of a computer. It is used for helping the hardware and application software to work properly. An operating system is an example of the system software. The most commonly used operating systems are Windows, Linux, and Mac. Fact zone. A smartphone is also a type of computer. It also has the system software and application software installed in it. Android and iOS are the commonly used operating systems in smartphones.